Another day, bro, with the same bully flow. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. So for today's video, if you guys haven't seen by the thumbnail, I'll be reviewing the ABH Sultry palette. This palette just rolled out a couple weeks ago. Absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it, but one of my friends, she's like, I'm getting it for your birthday, don't buy it. And I was like, ooh, I just want to buy it so bad. So I'm finally so glad I got my hands on it. I've already been playing with this palette before I started reviewing it for my channel because I just, honestly, I just couldn't wait. Let's just be real. But yeah, I absolutely, you know, could not wait to get my hands on it. And look at the packaging. It's just, the way it shimmers, gorgeous. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and what my thoughts are on this palette, then keep on watching. Alright, so as you guys can see, I do already have my eyes prepped with concealer for this product. I didn't do anything else on my face at the moment because I do know Anastasia Beverly Hills and with some of the shadows, I know there is a little bit of fallout that definitely with the sparkly shades or the shimmery shades, it definitely falls out onto the face. So I figured I'd just do all that later. I am not gonna lie to you, so I thought I'd be a little, you know, sneaky YouTuber and film 2 videos back to back in one day while I had the opportunity to, so I can kind of get ahead of myself. But I currently still have lash glue on this, and I've literally scrubbed my eyes, like literally scrubbed my eyes, washed them several times. I used toners and everything to get this off, and I still have lash glue. So if the product does not perform 100%, I'm not going to blame the palette. I'm going to blame myself for still having eyelash glue on here, and that's what I get for using eyelash glue because I never put on fake false lashes. Oh my god. Because I never put on false lashes. So yeah, that's why if it doesn't perform the best, you guys know why. I don't want to have like a little black little mark here, and it is what it is. We're just going to ignore it. So this is the Sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The packaging is so freaking gorgeous. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Like, it's like, it has like a sandy or grainy feel. That's the best way to put it. But the color on it, I just, I can't stop sharing. I cannot stop sharing. I cannot stop staring at how gorgeous this palette is. It does retail for $45 and there's 14 shades in here. So that probably makes it about $3.20 a pan, I want to say. A pan. In my last video I kept saying a shadow. I'm so special. I'm annoying. Anyway, so the product does retail for $45. I actually did get this as a birthday gift from one of my closest friends, Kayla, so thank you, shout out for my birthday gift. And I did try this palette out once, but I didn't really actually give it a full go, and so I figured, even though this palette has been out for a while, I'm late to the game on reviewing it, but you know what? Oh well, it's my channel, I don't care, and I want to review it because it is freaking gorgeous. And I just, especially one color in here that I'm obsessed with, it's like the color like Cyborg, and it's a shimmer. Oh, so freaking good. So this is the outside, and on the inside we still have the same looking feel. It is just like front to back, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with this. Free of sulfates of SLS and SLES, parabens and phthalates. I can never say that word.
Phthalate.
And the product is gluten-free. So this is it. So on the inside, when we have open it, look, just seriously, look at that sparkle. On the inside we have, ta-da, absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colors. This is definitely more of a cool tone palette than it is a warm tone palette, so it's great for anyone who doesn't always want to have the same warm tone shades. You can kind of spice it up and do a little bit of cool tones, and it has the standard mirror with a brush inside, although I did not use the brush on this when I first tried it out. Oh yeah, I did, but I just kind of want to swatch just a couple of colors. I don't want to go through all the colors because that's a lot of colors to go through, and I am horrible at swatching. I'm just going to kind of go through just the shimmer shades. First off, when you dip your hand into here, I just want to say, like, the shadows, so freaking soft. So this right here is the color Pearl. I mean, look at that glow. The next color for the shimmer shades is called Rose Court, and I mean, whew, so pretty. Then we're gonna have Ember. I almost put that right on top of there. Followed by Cinder. We'll put that. Look how pretty, and look how horrible my swatches are. We'll have teak. Teak I'll put right here. Ooh. And then last but not least, we have my favorite Cyborg. I mean, just a beautiful, just look at that color. Look at that shimmer. Ah, freaking gorgeous. I'm so excited to try it out. Well, I mean, not try it out. I did try it out, but I'm so excited just to review it for the channel because this palette, when I saw it, especially this Cyborg color, I was like, I have to have it. So, I am actually, you know what? Screw it. Let's take this little brush that it comes with. It doesn't even, but we're just gonna take the brush that it comes with. We're gonna go on this little like tapered side, and I'm gonna dig into the color Twig. I was just using it as my transition transition shade. Never talk. Ooh, that's a deeper brown than what I thought it was gonna be. Maybe I should go with the color Fresh first. You know what? We're gonna put Fresh on top of the eyelids. We're gonna kind of ignore that. Well, you know, too late. I'm just gonna put Fresh all over the eyelids just so it has more of an even base. Now that I have the color Twig laid down, maybe I'll add a little bit of a dystopian just on the little outside. Dystopian is like this deep brown color shade right there. Maybe I'll just add it just to the outside just to deepen that up because I don't want to go too heavy. I'm just going to put that right on the outer edge and just kind of just pack that in there. And I'm just going to blend up the rest. You know, I think I'm going to go in with the color Teak right here. So I'm just going to start to pack that on right here. And blending that out with my finger. I know you're supposed to use like a brush to blend it out with, but I don't care. I'm just wanting to have fun with these shadows because they're absolutely freaking gorgeous. Ooh, you know what I kind of do? The next one I'm going to go into is with Rose Quartz. I'm going to put it right next to that. Just right here, just put it right there. So pretty. I honestly don't even know if these colors go together, but I don't care. And the definite color I definitely want to go into next is Cyborg. Oh, this color just is so gorgeous. Just want to put it right. You know what? Let's just go over what we just did. Screw it. A cinder right here, and I'm gonna kind of use that in my finger to just transition these two shades together just a little bit. It looks like a mess. Looks like a mess, but you know what? That's okay. I'm gonna take this color Pearl on my little, oh God, that color Pearl. So pretty. I'm gonna take this on my BH Cosmetics 10 brush. I'm just gonna pop it right here in the corner. I'll tell you what, this eye look is a mess, but I really don't care because I wanted to have fun with it. I wanted to test out the different shimmer shades they have, a little bit of mattes, and it looks like a lot of confusion on there for sure because it's just like 3 different colors, or actually 4 or 5 different colors like I had to put on my eyes. But you know what? Have fun with this palette because this is a freaking gorgeous palette. What I'm gonna do to help tie in this look, because one thing I'll definitely say is that lashes can really bring an eye look together no matter how horrible the eye look looks. You can throw in a pair of lashes and it semi makes it look a little bit more, you know, better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my face, go throw on some lashes, and then I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this product. But so far you guys should already know that I kind of love it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I definitely say by putting on the lashes, it really brought this whole look together. I did put under my waterline just the color Twig, just to kind of, you know, bring it all together. And I put a little bit of Dystopian on the very outside just to connect the 2 creases together. But overall, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of, you know, iffy at first by mixing like 5 eyeshadows on an eye together. Because I just was playing around and wanted to have fun, and I wanted to bring the different shimmers together. And now that I put the entire face together, I definitely have to say that I love the way this looks. I think it came out beautifully. And see, this is what I'm saying. Every time you put on a false pair of lashes, like, it can really bring any eye look together. No matter how bad it looks, it could just, I don't know, it just like enhances it. I don't know what it is, it just does. So I definitely think this look is gorgeous, and I love the way the shimmers came out together. I mean, just like, look at it, it's gorgeous. Yeah, so I'm in love. I'm gonna zoom in. Well, I'm not really gonna zoom in. I'm just gonna kind of like just show you, okay? So say hi to my pores, because you know, pores are real. And don't mind my horrible waterline, or I'm sorry, don't mind my horrible eyelashes, because I used an old pair of eyelashes and the glue is still kind of on it, and I'm not the best of eyelashes, so you know, oh well. But just seriously, just look at how beautiful these colors are. I mean, just not gonna lie, I think mixing those shadows together was a pretty good idea. See, I told you at first it's gonna look kind of funky, right? But then I said when you put everything together, it looks good. My final thoughts on this this palette is the Sultry palette definitely gets a huge thumbs up from me. I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous all the way from the packaging, just beautiful, just shimmering palette, to the colors on the inside. I mean, these definitely have definite color pigment. These definitely have color to it. The shimmers definitely pop even without using a wet brush. You can use your fingers, and the mattes are very, very creamy, very smooth. They blend out beautifully, as do the shimmers. I literally just applied all these shimmers with my fingers, as you guys saw. I barely even used the brush to do this. And this palette, even though it's $45, it is absolutely worth it in my book. So if you guys, you know, want to go out there and get it, by all means, please do, because this is such a beautiful palette. And Anastasia never ends up letting you down, because her palette's always really good, except for the Subculture wasn't the best, but you know, is what it is. But I'm obsessed with this palette, and I'll be using it a lot for the Christmas time, especially the cyborg color, because I can't get enough of it. So yeah, so that is it for this video. If you guys like me, if you guys like this video, please give me a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell so you're notified when my next video comes out. I used to have a weekly schedule, but now I don't, because I just don't know when I'm gonna film or when any palettes come out. I'm gonna try to get a video out at least, you know, once a week. That's gonna be my goal, because I do have some more ideas of what I want to film. But yeah, I'm glad I'm back, dude. I've completely missed doing YouTube, and this is so much fun for me. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! But yeah, I think I put a little bit too much blush on, but don't care. It's gonna blend up the breast. Not like this is really a tutorial, because it's not. I have such a headache. The shadows are Alright guys, so this is the final look. Once I threw on the rest of my face, it definitely came together. So while I was putting on my, once again, the Sultry palette from
give you all my best stuff. You made me feel special, that's why I'm down forever. Something just feels right when we're together. I think I wanna stay here with you for forever, forever and ever. Oh, I think I wanna marry you. I think that's what I gotta do. Concentration automatic, Wonder Woman superpower. When we're together.